The ruling ZANU-PF party has unexpectedly cancelled a key Politburo meeting that has been scheduled for Friday, May 2, 2025, fueling speculation of internal unrest within the party's top leadership. Sadapinda mashoko kuti aiwa ZANU-PF aiwa changova chingoma zvacho aiwa chaparara zvacho panguva ino tinoona kuti aiwa takanzwa zvemukurumbira wekuti musi wa2 May kureva nhasi kuchange kune Politburo meeting aiwa panguva ino wanachiona that Politburo meeting ichikanzorwa zvoda pachira kuti aiwa panyatso kuratidza kuti pane mafactional fights ari ZANU-PF. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipita panapa muzvimbo muchinzi. In a brief submittable statement released Thursday, party spokesperson Nelsonchamisa announced the postponement, citing instructions from the party Secretary General, Dr. Obed Mpofu. The Secretary General of ZANU-PF, Comrade Obed Mpofu, hereby advises all members of the postponement of the Politburo meeting announced for Friday, 2nd May 2025. The meeting will be held on a later date to be advised. Read the official communication dated May 1, 2025. While no reason was provided for the postponement, the move comes amid growing political tension and speculation about rifts within ZANU-PF's top echelons. Recent reports have hinted at factional maneuvering, particularly as the country heads into a sensitive period marked by economic instability and public dissatisfaction over governance issues. Observers say the sudden cancellation may indicate behind-the-scenes negotiations or disagreements over key party decisions, possibly linked to leadership succession debates or ongoing realignments within the Central Committee. The Politburo, ZANU-PF's highest decision-making board outside of Congress, plays a pivotal role in shaping national and party policy. Its postponement at such a time is likely to fuel further debate about the party's internal dynamics and direction. As the nation watches closely, no new date has been set for the rescheduled meeting, leaving party insiders and public alike in anticipation of what may emerge in the coming weeks. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panapa ari kunoka kunzi aiwa ZANU-PF zvadhakwa. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitwa chinoda kwamesa chichembedza mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.